So good morning, dear students. Today,
Good morning.
the the last content is about benchmarking used in business process reengineering. As we know, benchmarking it is nothing. It is set the performance standard, that is measure of best practice performance, seeking out and studying the best internal practices as well as external practices to produce superior performance. Directly or indirectly, you can say what are your existing processes and what you want to be, what kind of gap is in between. Definitely, we set our standards. So, continue to try to search for the best practices that yield the benchmark performance with emphasis on how you can apply the process to achieve superior results. So, this is the general meaning of benchmarking. Our industry practice objectives establish what is achievable from an improvement perspective, what are our constraints, what kind of resources are available, and understood how other companies have designed their process, how other competitors are doing something different with you. Definitely, we need to improve our infrastructure, resources, R&D, technologies, and whatever standards you have set, you need to or you try to achieve that particular standards within a pre-specified time limit. So determine not to do, that is learn from the mistakes of others. There are different types of benchmarking like strategic benchmarking, performance of competitive benchmarking, process benchmarking, functional benchmarking or generic benchmarking. As per strategic benchmarking is concerned, to improve performance by examining in long-term strategies. Let you know whatever goal you want to achieve, so you have just divide into the short-term goals and long-term goals. Accordingly, we need to make the strategies to improve the performance. Either you want to achieve this particular performance in the long-term perspectives or in short-term perspectives. It depends on your goals. It depends on your strategies. Performance of competitive benchmarkings to compare performance with other companies, with other competitors, how they are doing something different, how their product is more superior with your product. Then the next one is process benchmarking. Here is focus is on improving specific processes and operations. Comparison with the organizations and perform similar work and deliver similar services. How computers process is something different. What kind of technology your computer is usage, what kind of technology you are going to use, what kind of modern machines they have. So in that particular pharmacy, you need to just compare the performance portion, you can say process and operations in the form of process benchmarking. Functional benchmarking or generic benchmarking, benchmarking with partners from different business sectors or areas with the objective of improving similar functions or work process. What kind of functionally, you can say in the terms of functions, they have difference from you can say one department to the other departments. Internal benchmarkings, you have to compare internally within the organizations, within the same organizations. For example, business units located in different areas, there is, like you can say, one particular company, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, they are having different plants in the different locations. So how they are, you can say, produce, or you can say their output level is different. What kind of internal business units they are going to differently use differently. External benchmarking, seeking outside the organizations that are in the best class. International benchmarking, benchmarking with companies located elsewhere in the world, in the globe. So benchmarking comparisons, the basis of area of comparisons like financial performance, see the key financial ratios, customer service delivery systems, response time, delivery times, productivity measures in the terms of key performance indicators, use of technology, dramatic improvements as a result of technology, planning and project management practices, on-time completion projects, human resource management by applying labor productivity, financial control systems, etc., etc. So benchmarking framework model, normally we see the identify the process, scope process and team, map standard and analyze the process, define process, that is change the obvious, design benchmarking study, collect information, analyze study results, design and implement improved process. So these are the, you can say, kind of variables we need to use for the benchmarking framework model. And the sources of information like reports and studies by industry experts, targeted companies, site visit to companies through conferences, trade publications, consulting firms, professional associations, third-party research firms, benchmarking database. So by this way, we need to compare the benchmarkings. And finally, benchmarking analysis helps the organization understand where it stands at present. As already I have said, what are your existing situations and where you want to go, and understand where it could be. So these are the basic benchmarking practices you need to use in the benchmarking. Benchmarking, especially benchmarking of the BPR, business